Hello, Jimbo, Jimbo. Everyone's Widow Tug, and the Starfleet is Sunshine. He was looking for Jimbo. Name Jimbo. He was trying to look for Jimbo everywhere. Jimbo, where are you? Right here. Oh no, I spin out of control. My water jamming. Rushing through. Oh no, watch it. Oh no, sir. Find you, Jimbo. And I saw I hit your rudder. It's alright. We gotta be more. Be careful next time. It's because of the water. They keeps on jamming when I'm going somewhere. I think there's something wrong with you. I think your propeller's jammed. Yeah, I was wrong. It was my propeller that did this. That made me spin out of control in the water. Come on, I'll tell you to the Lucky's yard. Come on, I'll tell you. Okay, thank you. Yes. Barry, the green crane, will be out soon. Doing Sunshine, he'll fix you up. We've been answered our breakers yard since we were here when we get towed, but Doing Sunshine, I'll take care of you. That's kind of creepy, but okay. I'll leave you here. Okay? Okay, wait, dead sets. The Star Tugs rifles name Zorn, Zebedee, Zach, Zug, and Zip. They're working for Captain Star. They're very evil. Well, Zip and Zug are devious, and so is the Z-Stacks. So, their plan is to trick him. Well, their plan is pranking him. They're rushing up to me. I've been at it. So today we're gonna get rid of those Starfleets because they were doing their work and they have day off. So today, in that little switcher called Sunshine, the little brother of that orange tug named Jimbo was paired, got a new propeller, and then fixed up to go. Yes, sir. And I'm not happy. Don't worry, Captain. We're not smiling. We're being devious. Yes. Quiet. So, in this further ado, we might prank them. Zebedee, Zach, you'll be the only ones that will prank them. And the rest of you'll prank them too. So, let's do it! Boo! Ah! Boo! Ah! Ah! Boo! Ah! Boo! Ah! Hey guys, guess what? I'm all fixed up. Boo! Ah! Help! A ghost tug! Jesus! Ooh! Jimbo and the Star Tugs got scared because of the Z-Stack fleet. What's going on here? Boo! Ah! And then the Star Tugs are super sad, and Jimbo's sad too. Because of the Z-Stack scared them. Then Captain Star is not sad. He's mad at him. Sorry, Jimbo and the Star Tugs. So we will not be happy with those Z-Stacks and Captain Star did. And then and then I'll be having an argument with them, and then you all will be alright. So just don't worry. I'll talk to them. Then Captain Star argued with Captain Zero. Then Captain Zero was not pleased with his staff. They feel sad. Sorry guys, but there's no face for Zerg. So he has that these pieces. So no, still filming. I'm very disappointed at you. 5. Shame on yourself. Because of you, I got into trouble with Captain Star. Now you, 5, will just get out of my sight, will you? Oh my gosh. We're sorry, Captain Star. Captain, sorry. Yeah, we're sorry. We're sorry. I said, get out of my sight, all of you, Jimbo and the Star Tugs to see that the Z stacks when they rest. Yeah, you say. I'm super happy. Yeah, I'm glad they learned their lesson. So now all of you could have fun. So they take day offs, meet Sunshine and the Z stacks. Well, they feel sorry. They should be ashamed of themselves. Or they feel ashamed of themselves. Okay, guys. So that's all. Here it was. It's gonna. Okay. So it was gonna hit 7 minutes, 8 minutes, or 9 minutes, or 10 minutes. I don't know. Well, so goodbye, guys. So it's 7 minutes. So miss you guys. So guys, in the next video in season episode 3 will be meet Zob. Well, sorry, the episode will have been delayed, so we'll fix the episode and it'll be it. So there will be I think there will be like 41 or 43 or probably 71. No, I want to make order. Oh, it's gonna hit 8 minutes. So make sure you guys subscribe. So like, comment, subscribe. So bye.